all you humans out there, it's Chi-Chi Chihuahua for Animals Media. Today's show is about sticks. Which is funnier, little dogs with big sticks or big dogs with little sticks or big dogs with humongous sticks? Let me know in the comments. Actually, I can't read.
Nope. No, Missy.
Stick? Yeah?
Here we go.
I wanna really
Get it off the couch.
take it out. Fucking my dog.
You go through, mate.
Can't have this in the house. Leave it.
No, you go straight on, mate. You go straight on. There you go. Good job. That's a good way done. Good boy.
I like your stick.
Thanks for watching Animals Media. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, and take me for a walk after dinner. Whoa, okay, that does not look safe.